Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get zero point 0.5 camera on Snapchat Android. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go on Play Store or App Store and update Snapchat to its latest version. After that, if it doesn't show up, click on your profile icon on the top left corner. Then click on Settings on the top right corner. Scroll down until you see Support and Feedback. Over here, click on Bugs and Suggestions. Then click on Report a Bug. Click on Camera. After that, click on Select Topic and select Camera Features. Now type. My account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Then click on Submit. Alternatively, go back to your camera page and click on Explore. After that, type ultra wide lens in the search bar. Then select any one of the lenses. So that's basically how you can get zero point 0.5 camera on Snapchat Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.